welcome back to Island Adventure Caravan Style, and we are at this beautiful beach, and today we are going to do surf and turf. We're going to do steak, shrimp, mussels with some garlic potatoes and vegetables with a salad. So guys, let's go to it. Guys, we're going to season the steak. It's a local tenderloin. So we have some pink salt here. Pat it down. Remember to do both sides.
Much better.
And we're going to put our garlic salt. I'm just doing a salad here, so I just cut up some watercress. So we have the lettuce here. So we have tomatoes here. We're going to cut up and put it in the salad. So here we're doing some cucumbers for the salad. So guys, I'm going to add the compound butter here. You don't want it to burn. So we're going to quickly add our potatoes. Nice. We're going to stir it up in the compound butter. Ooh, if you guys smell this, I'm gonna season it up with some all-purpose seasoning, some cayenne seasoning, and some paprika. Nice. And we're gonna stir it up. If you guys have cheese, you could add cheese to it, but today I forgot my cheese at home, so don't have any cheese, but looks good and it smells wonderful. So guys, I don't think you can beat this. It's so hot today. It's really hot today, eh? We need to go and take a swim soon. So we're gonna put the steak on the grill. So here we go. You can hear that sizzle, and you know, woo, it's hot. Somebody forget to walk with
Tongs again.
tongs to turn and flip. So daddy.
Oh God, I get blamed for everything.
So we're gonna do it
Caveman style. Caveman style.
So we're gonna wait until this get 2 minutes on this side, 2 minutes on the other side, and we keep flipping it constantly. So guys, we're just going to heat up the mussels. We're just gonna let it
Let them steam.
let it steam for a little bit.
Yeah.
It's already open up, it's just a preheat. Let me get it covered first. So I'm gonna put the shrimp in foil with compound butter. These sweet peppers I cut up here, and some tomatoes. It was made with cayenne pepper, chili pepper, paprika, butter, and some parsley. This was steamed just like this in the foil. So guys, I'm gonna put the shrimp. So they cook for about 10 minutes.
I get some compound butter. Good. I'll give it a 10 out of
Big
10.
one. A 10 you guys give everything a 10 out of 10.
Wait, it tastes so good.
Let me see how the shrimp looks. Oh yeah, nice. Woo, that looks good. So we're gonna plate. So guys, this is our finishing touches. Our surf and turf, our mussels, steak, shrimp, potatoes, and a lovely salad with a side of Portugal. And a perfect view. So let's see how this tastes. We're gonna get David to taste it.
Nice. I want to try that shrimp. Very nice. I love those potatoes. Creamy and nice. Let me try one of those nice, beautiful pieces of steak. Very nice. Perfectly cooked. Oh man. Beautiful background. Look at this beautiful beach. Hot day. Beautiful surf and turf. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Enjoy your day.